Here's how to disable Shorts in YouTube on your Android phone. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy device, a Google Pixel, or any other Android smartphone, you may notice that YouTube Shorts appear throughout your feed. If you'd like to limit how long you watch Shorts or reduce them from your YouTube experience, here's how to do it. Let's get started to turn off YouTube Shorts. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Time Watched or Time Management, depending on your version of the YouTube app. Here, you'll find a feature called Shorts Feed Limit. Tap on it. Now you can choose how long you want to watch YouTube Shorts each day. You can select options like 0 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. You can also set the limit to 0 minutes, which helps remove Shorts from YouTube. After selecting your preferred time limit, go back to the YouTube home screen and refresh the app. You'll notice that YouTube Shorts become removed or limited based on the time setting you've selected. Keep in mind that YouTube may still show some Shorts content, but the time limit helps reduce how much Shorts you watch throughout the day. And that's it. That's how you can limit or remove YouTube Shorts on your Samsung phone, Google Pixel, or any Android device. Thanks for watching.